Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to update your BIOS without USB. One click BIOS update for Windows 10 or Windows 11. I show you guys how to do it. Check my video description for these links. To update the BIOS, you just need to select the link. It depends on where motherboard you use. In my case, I use GIGABYTE motherboard, so I have this software GIGABYTE Control Center. After downloading the related software for your motherboard, open it. After opening it, the home page will be like this, and then you just need to go to update center, guys. Here all where driver update will be listed related to motherboard. Select the install option to select yes, and this will install all the updates, include BIOS, guys. In my case, I already updated the BIOS, so in this list, the BIOS update is not listed. In our case, you must see the BIOS update, and this will automatically update all the required drivers. After all updates done, just restart your PC, or it will automatically restart your PC, guys. After all this done, don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.